Well, good morning, my friend. Most welcome in our channel. We are coming back after a long time for science news. We are started now. Jumping genes. You know that jumping DNA molecules present in the humans and other animals. Also, they are transposable like elements. Sometimes they are here. Sometimes they are other part of the body system. They can also express. They can regulate. The scientists found that in paper published in 28 August 2020. DNA jumping DNA regulate human neurons. How they can regulate this process is explaining by this paper. In this paper, jumping sequence of DNA known as a transposable element partnered with the evolutionary recent proteins influence the differentiation and physiological function of the neurons. So you can understand what the role of the jumping gene, jumping DNA molecules in the process of the neuron development and physiological functions. So let's start one by one. Now in this, a team of the international scientists led by the Yhr Studios and the EPFL has discovered that the transposable elements significant role in the development of human brains. The study published in the Science Advance, scientists found that transposable element of regulate the brain development by partnering of the two specialized type of proteins. When how can they? There is a two type of specialized proteins that help for the development of the brains. These proteins are the KZFE and Acrufel associated box containing zinc finger proteins in 2019. Another study that Toronto shows that the KZFE team regulate the activity of transposable element the first few days in these cases. However, the suspect that regulate the sequence of the and the re-imaging of the molecules. So this is the process of the development. Another report, according to them, the human genomes contain 4.5 million sequences of DNA is called as a transposable element. These virus-like identity jumps around help regulate gene expressions. They do this binding transposable elements, transcriptional compounds. These transposable element, which are the proteins, regulate the transcription of DNA to RNA molecule and influence the gene expression around these biological processes. So this is the one of the process where scientists are trying to explain two identical KZFE and specific primates in the primates. The specifically reasons of the human development brains further they associated these proteins kept controlling activities of transposable element, at least in the neuron development and the brain development of these cases. As a result, these two proteins influence the neurotransmission in the neuron. After the research, they found the result reveals how two proteins that appeared only too recently evolutionary process in the shape human development, human brains as facilitating the cooperation of these transposable element that jumping genes. These are virus-like identity and they are helping how the brain development. So it is very important in the process of the brain development. Jumping genes play very important roles either in the pathogenic mechanism pathway where they studies and also showing that amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, a type of neurodegenerative disease, is also reported when these type of the genes are not contributing the roles for the development of things. Hope you like my videos. If you really like, please subscribe my channel. We will update more and more about the microbiology and molecular biology sections soon one by one. So thank you so much for watching and giving your time to my channel.